Welcome to Motion Gallery. Welcome to you to a new video series of arts and craft. In this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful bottle painting. For this, you can use different types of bottles. You can use glass as well as plastic bottles. Before painting, we need to clean the outer surface of the bottle. I am using isopropyl alcohol and tissue paper. You can use soap and water also. Dry the bottle in air. Now you can see the bottle is clean. Now the paint can stick to it properly. At first we need to give a coat of primer. Here I am using acrylic based primer. I am using number 10 round tip synthetic brush, but you can use any soft bristle brush for this. Use as much less water you can. During this primer coat, try not to paint in crisscross pattern. After covering the entire surface with the primer, let it sit for drying. You can use a hair dryer to speed up the process. Don't use too much heat, just use the normal air mode. After the first coat dried, it's time to give a second coat. Just repeat the same process. Depending upon the type of painting, it's always helpful to make some marking of the borderlines. Now time to add some color. I'm doing the bottom part with sap green. All the colors that I am using are acrylic in type. Don't hurry. Do the painting with patience. Give at least 2 coats of each color. Dry the first coat, then paint the second coat. The colors are used in this painting are sap green, scarlet lake, cobalt blue, cadmium yellow, titanium white, and ivory black. It doesn't matter that you have to follow these colors. You can paint with your own imagination and own choice of color. you can see all the color bands are done. It's time to use some black. I am using number 1 and number 0 point tip brush for this detailing. Now let's make some border lines, as this will give it a contrast. Now let's draw some artworks. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Give a like and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video.